Your Miami trainers share how to know what class to take to learn Ad Edit. Come to miamirealtors.com, click on calendar, and you can search for 401. Find it, click, and register. If you're looking or interested in the MLS series, you can also come to miamirealtors.com/trainers. And on the trainer page, you can click onto the in-depth text series where you can scroll and find MLS series, click into it, and here you have your 7-part series with the 4th class description, an Ad Edit class, and a link to an Ad Edit listing maintenance class. Thank you for being a Miami member. Always more with Miami.